Hello dears, and welcome back to the channel Benidorm by Anna. Welcome to the sunniest, busy, the most popular tourism resort in Costa Blanca, Benidorm. Did you ever notice that there are a lot of tiny streets all over between the Levante Beach and the Mediterranean Avenue? And these streets are going to be those we'll be discovering on today. Let's go. We start today's exploring right at the triangular square in Benidorm by the famous techno hit. It's also where KFC and Popeye's chicken has opened up, and it's also where the first Starbucks of Benidorm is located. If you want to know if it's a good place to grab a coffee, which kind of offers do they have there, what the prices are, check out our video about the first Starbucks in Benidorm. We popped up there less than 24 hours after their grand opening. But let's start with the first street right here, and we'll be heading from the old town direction towards the Rincon de Loche, so towards our left side. Popeyes, we called it Popeyes. In Spain, we called it Popeyes, so this is how people will understand where you want to go. It's a fast food chicken place. They actually have quite nice chicken. Let us know if you would recommend it. What do you prefer, KFC or Popeyes chicken? Personally, for us, both are very good candidates if you love some fast food, but at the same time slightly more healthy as the chicken is. Some supermarkets for cold drinks and some gifts. CBD stores, ultimately they are increasing their stores in Benidorm. Different ones pop up anywhere around Benidorm town. And this is not the only one we'll be seeing on today for the CBD. La Parada, the stop, a very nice bar. They have very cheap offers. Here we have some offers for drinks for breakfast. $3.50 for a breakfast with a juice, $2.50 for breakfast without a juice, and €1, €1.50 max for a coffee. The same for beer. I think they have like €1 or €1.20 caña, which is quite nice. Typical Spanish places for tapas. This is from Asturias, North Spain. It says Italian food, but right now it's Llantar de Asturias. Great place to try typical Spanish food. Indian restaurants that have menus for €15 or slightly bigger menu for €42 for two people. This was Tropical Beach, I think it was called. And before that it was the Good Burger, and both of these places have closed down sadly. Tiki place, Tiki Pizza, very nice place. They have a lot of different pizzas. They're preparing the oven right now, and a lot of them do cost around €10 and just slightly more than that, and they're really good quality ones. At night they even put a DJ right here because the Tiki Town and Tiki Pizza are like two places in one. And we are already at the Levante Beach. Look at that. We are already here and we're heading to the second street, where we're going to be turning on to the left. The second street is right in front of the SOS point with cardiorespiratory machines as well, semi-automatic ones, just in case something happens, just so that you know. Right in front of the floating aqua park. We've tried it, by the way, here on the channel. And YouTube somehow did not show this video to anyone. They didn't even send a notification. So if it's interesting for you what the aqua park, the floating water park is looking like, you can check that video out. On this street we have KM, famous nightclub, and Penelope. On the left side we have some place where you can buy some excursion tickets and theme parks tickets, a typical beach supermarket, some real estate, and on the top there's tattoo and piercing place, one of the oldest ones here in Benidorm. And there are some more businesses, for example, new places that have opened up. There are some bars as well. One of them is this black colored bar with golden letters. Obviously it's closed right now because it's 10 in the morning when we are filming this video, and not a lot of places are open. This is Wonder. It's called Wonder. Is a beach club, how they call themselves, and they have different offers for 5 drinks. around 10-12 euros for a bucket. Lookissimo, which is an aesthetic center, it's also a hairdresser salon. They do nails, they do a lot of things here. Lifting without a surgery, what is that? Aesthetics, diode, laser lifting, they do a lot of different things out there. Pepe Barber Shop, very important as well for men in case you have any special occasion. This is something that you could find in Benidorm. Each time there's more and more barber shops, and quite good ones, I must say. Belgium Cafe, right there in front of us. Vai Bene, this is Italian place. In front we have another CBD shop, Swiss CBD shop, the Reign of Swiss. Mailboxes, which is a fast mailing system, and a huge shop, which is a paradise for children. This is Don Dino, one of the most popular top 3 probably brands. This is where you can get some toys, some articles for children for the beach, anything for your kids and grandkids, or maybe even for yourself. Why not? There's a lot of collection figures there. And in front there's another CBD shop on the corner that you just seen it, the green leaves one. So 3 CBD shops we've seen in just a couple of meters distance one from the other. Towards our right, just a couple of meters away, there's a Catholic church. This is where a lot of Sundays gatherings and for different religious holidays are actually happening. And here towards the right, there's another street like this. And like this, we go up until the Rincon de Loige. Small streets full with different interesting businesses. This is called Super Chollo, like super bargain, and it's from 3 euros. Mostly it's synthetics, but you can also find something which is more of a natural materials. And it's great because if you're coming on holidays, you don't want to buy super expensive clothing, but you're lacking something. This is where you could go, especially if it's for the beach, like some small thing that you need. This is the place where you could potentially go, and it's quite a nice priced. The Italian restaurant, this is very nice place to go. Let's check out their menu. You can pause it if you want, make a screenshot, zoom it in wherever you want, but basically there's some recommendations that they have, and these are the prices, like daily suggestions. Obviously they have some pastas, their specialties starting from 11 euros I can see, up until 26, 27. Fish, wine selection, oh my god, they have Dom Perignon, look at that, 500 euros. Oh my goodness, that's the most expensive wine I've seen here in the area. Kitchen open from 13, so from 1 o'clock up until midnight as it is. And this is Topo Gigio. I hope I'm saying it right. And it's a pizza, pasta, Italian type of meals place. Really nice, by the way, really recommended. Hog roast, this is roast pork. Nice design, I love the logo, it's quite interesting. And they say that their opening hours are from 10 in the morning and closing when the pork is sold. That's basically it. Nice place. Pinned for 2.50 euros in this place right here. Leblon, this is a gastro bar and cafeteria, nice place as well, looking lovely. Breakfast from 1.50, 4 euros, 6 euros, depends on what it is. They put also it in English, everything, which is really much appreciated. Some starters, some main meals. No, not bad. If someone of you tried these places, let us know, please. It's strange, however, maybe today is their days off or they're on holidays, because usually at this time of the day they should be open for breakfast, but they are not. So I wonder if probably they're having some days off. Electric rentals, which are bicycles and scooters, etc. They are electric. Chinese restaurant right here, Chinese restaurant Dafa. Cafe, restaurant La Guapa, like the beautiful, the nice. Grill house is steakhouse in front of us. Some real estate and Irish pub. Ooh, I've not seen this one before. Irish pub, live music, fine wines, the Bodran. I hope I'm saying it right. I know it's in Irish, so sorry if I'm not. They're on holidays up until Thursday, 24th of August. So they'll be back literally in just one day. Tomorrow they'll be back already. The steakhouse, the place for seafood. Seafood, 30 something euros and 90 cents for 2 people. Like fried fish, seafood plate for 2. That's nice. Money exchange and supermarket for cold drinks. And look at that lobster. By the way, that grill house right on the back of us, they do sell lobster as well. So this is one of the few places where you can get like fresh, nice lobster. It's gonna be quite expensive as it everywhere it is when you talk about seafood, but you're able to try it out, and they bring it directly from the port of Benidorm. There's also a supermarket, Supercor, on the right side, which is a typical Spanish one already. Let's go fast forward 4 times faster to get to another place, which is right a couple of meters from us. And meanwhile, you can see the inside Meliá Hotel, the brand newly refurbished, lovely place. Right now, the design is way better than it was before. And this is another street. As you can see, they're really like literally a couple of 100 meters away one from the other. This is the terrace that's called Cactus. Personally, we like it. They have affordable drinks, affordable snacks and food. It's not an expensive place to be, and it's lovely because you're right by the beach. This street where we are right now, so that you could orient yourself slightly better, is this one, Avenue Periodista y Escritor Emilio Romero. This is where we're at. Here is where you can find one of the pharmacies, which is great when you are at the beach. Imagine if a jellyfish, like burns you, or if something happens, you can go directly to a pharmacy. It's right here nearby, or for sunscreen if you forgot, or for after sun, for sunburns, etc. Everything is right here. A lot of touristic apartments, by the way, are located in some of these buildings. You can even see some signs that say that it's for rent. Many of these apartments are for short-term rentals because they are in a perfect location. A lot of places to park with a blue zone where you need to pay €1 for 2 hours of parking. And on the right side, there is a big refurbished, renewed Festilandia. This is a place where you can come with children, with teenagers, anyone, the whole entire family, and there are a lot of different attractions. This is opening up past midday simply because they're staying open up until late at night, especially right now in summer. You have also hairdressing, salon, nails and beauty place right there in front of us. Femina, it's called unisex hairdresser. And below you have some bags, different types of accessories to purchase as a gift from your holidays. Then you also have these type of vending machines where they sell, well, you see already probably, they sell some refreshing drinks. They sell some things from parapharmacy if you need something like that. So Festilandia is right here towards our right side, gaming zone as well, and the bowling place. And we're heading to the last street we'll be checking on today, which is right where the refurbished part of the Mediterranean Avenue is over. Here on the corner, we have a nice place for cosmetics and perfumes, etc. There's some ATM machines that are from Spanish banks, so they're not charging you abusive commissions on it. And it's pretty much safer to use. And on this street, apart from the bank, the parapharmacy, and the loveliest trees, look at this. This is absolutely gorgeous. We feel like in autumn already because the leaves are dry. They're like of a yellowish color. And it's just so nice see them fall down with rays of still hot Spanish sunshine. On this street, apart from a lot of parking spaces and a big place for parking, which is free of charge, we have one of the loveliest first line hotels, which is Hotel Simbel. We have a special feeling about this hotel simply because it was the first ever hotel tour that we did here on the channel. This was the first one, but it was actually very nice, and some rooms in this hotel are perfect. They even have a room with a private small swimming pool. So let me tell you that it is special. And with the gorgeous views, direct access to the Levante Beach, just across this small road, this small promenade. What can be better? The summer library is directly in front of us as well. these are only some of the tiniest streets because they go from the beginning of Rincon de Lodge up until the old town. On these tiny streets you can find an incredible amount of amazing businesses, a lot of shops, a lot of nice and fun things to purchase, to see, to try out by yourselves. So don't miss it, don't be afraid, walk down these streets, check these out, because it's quite possible you'll find something nice, something fun to do. Bicycle rentals, scooter rentals, some vegan food, international food, Irish bars, British ones, typical Spanish tapas, and much more. If you would like to see some more of these small streets, let us know here in the comments. I wish you an amazing day and we'll see each other in a new video tomorrow. Bye, Dees.